Cabezón.
Acquired.
Who sent that?
System.
Your package should be here by Wednesday.
Escape velocity protocol engaged. Crossing atmospheric layers. Adjusting pressure for host protection. Landing systems check complete. Threat approaching. Turret landing successful.
Yo, put those huevos away, bro. ¿Cómo que era chiquito?
Porque tiene drama.
Aparte los tomates, Jaime.
Cash in on all the sports action this season with Prize Picks. Just pick more or less on a few player stats for a shot to win up to 1,000 times your cash. Join over 10 million members playing in over 30 states.
You know what? I'm calling the police.
No, don't call the police. No police. They work for Cord. What do you think Cord's gonna do when they figure out that some Mexican kid has that type of military tech inside of him? They're gonna lock his ass up. And then they're gonna wipe our minds so that we don't tell anybody. It's not like the government isn't used to locking up Mexicans anyways. I mean, this is sci-fi shit. This is CIA. Pokers. What does it mean? What I'm saying is the government and Cord are gonna be all over this. And then they're gonna start asking for documents. And that includes you, Nana. And that includes you, Alberto. Okay, then fine. I'm just gonna have to go by myself.
You don't live in this house.
I'm only 22. Besides, what if she's in danger?
What if she's in danger, Jaime? You know.
Mucha honra. Jaime.
What's going on?
No. 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 No.
What is he talking about?
He's talking about this.
Oh, I forgot how bad it looks.
What can I talk about this somebody? It doesn't look that
That's
bad.
it is illegal. I've seen worse.
Where?
You don't want to know. Okay, what the hell is this thing?
It's called the Scarab. It was given to my dad when I was a kid. It's some kind of world destroying weapon.
That's
Did you know what was going to happen to my brother? I was stuck in with this world destroying thing.
No, I swear to you, I had no idea this was happening.
just any person. It has to choose you. So I'm guessing it's chosen you.
No more blind dates.
Okay. So how do we get to our unchoosing?
I don't know. But we better move fast, because my
All of it isn't the devil himself. General, this is Lieutenant Carapax. He's been crucial to the development of the prototype, and I personally handpicked him for his courage during the anti-communist counterterrorism operations in Guatemala. He's the perfect recipient for the LM, and a product of the School of the Americas.
Great to meet you, Lieutenant. Can't wait to see it in action. When will it be ready?
It's ready, isn't it? It's finishing touches on it. Well, if you'll excuse us, we'll have a cigar that made our real Cubans. Lost? How?
My men saw someone help me there.
Well, I want to find out who she is working with now. Because without the scarab, we can't complete the OLED.
I'm already developing the scarab back. This time I'll do the best.
Well, I hope so, Carapax, because if not, all your sacrifices will have been in vain. Just think of how much suffering your body has been through.
I'm aware of what you're talking about.
What you've done, Ignacio, I'm on your side. Do you not remember what it was like when I found you? How badly crippled you were? How broken? I had just been trying to fix you.
Americans had their social security numbers exposed in recent data breaches, and the threats are more than you realize. If you're a victim of identity theft, LifeLock works to fix it on your behalf, backed by the $1 Million Protection Package. Enroll now.
That's it. I call it
Stop that.
Why? You know, when you make something cool, you can call yours whatever you want. Yeah. We used to call that. Make sure that this works. Yes. Unlike junk that cord makes, my tech delivers. Okay, let's just say yes. Cafe, you want to hit that yellow switch there? Hit that yellow switch.
I just wait.
Hit that. Yeah. Okay. Well, at least I don't have to put that annoying tailgate. What's going on in town? So just give me like one step. Give it a little. Seems so different back then.
Maybe my grandfather started Ford Industry City and turned it into a military powerhouse. Then my grandfather died. Victoria thought the company would go to her. But he left everything to me instead.
Too kind.
Sexist. Yeah. Still, my father wanted to steer the company in a different direction. So Victoria became obsessed with erasing my father's legacy. Could I get a hand over here?
Yeah, sorry. There's a signal blocking our feed. We're being jammed out. Lieutenant Carapax? This is why I don't let anyone try to talk about it. That's all you? Yeah. Oh my god. I don't know why I thought it was going to be that great. Oh shit. No. What is he doing here? Shit, right? He's not slowing down. Let's go.
Verbal communication is ill advised in a combat scenario.
I think this is one big misunderstanding. I didn't mean to punch you back there. I promise I'm not in control of this thing. No, let me explain. Never mind, he's not listening.
Permission to take over host.
Yes, anything.
Watch and learn, Climax. Eliminated threat.
Put the blades away.
Would you like to use a different weapon?
No, I mean, we don't have to kill him.
Eliminated threat.
Are you gonna listen to me?
Eliminated threat.
No, stop. I'm not a killer.
Command accepted.